so slow. Keep going so we get it. Oh,
What is it?
it's so cute and so slow. I'm not going out there because that just terrifies me. Let me see, stop and we'll see if it'll go anywhere. Oh, it's going on the train track.
What?
I don't know. Where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Where?
It's across there. I should go take it for real.
Oh, you should be.
Oh, let me out. Let me out. Well, now where did it go? Oh, there it is. It's hiding now.
Where?
Like over by the fence. See it? Right there. It's gonna come out and then we'll be able to see it when it comes out.
Keep going, 'cause I want it for my YouTube.
Oh, golly. He's not moving. He's not moving again. He just stops and sits there.
Where is
He's really hard to see, but see the post? He's to
Yeah.
the right and he's like that little brown blurb of stuff.
the big wood post?
Yeah, he's right here. This is him. But he's not moving.
He's blending in with the colors.
I know.
I can't even make him out.
Well, I think
What
that's
is
him
he?
unless he snuck around somewhere. Like,
I don't know. I don't have my glasses on. Is
No,
that
I'm pretty
him
sure that's
making
him.
Noises?
no, that's a bird.
Should I go
Oh,
and if
see,
he'll
I
move?
think he moved.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure that's him.
Where?
But yeah, it is. He's right there. Don't go move him. No, that's just mean.
I don't see him.
He's right there. Like, I
Like
see
down?
him. Like, he's like hunched over like a little circle of darkness.
Where?
Right here, Mom, look. That's him. See? There, he moved. He moved his head.
I don't see him.
Well, he definitely moved his head. There, he's moving. He's on the move.
Is he near the
Now he's walking.
fence?
Yeah, he's right against the fence, walking with the fence.
I don't see him walking.
Because he's done moving. He's actually now hiding behind that tree. There. Like the whole...
So he can
There he is.
see us?
See his head? On this side of the pole. Watch. There, see?
Oh my goodness. That's not the pole, you goof. That's the fence. What is
Stop.
it? What is it?
It's just an animal.
But what kind?
I don't know.
It's a rare animal.
It's
a
not rare.
pig.
It's not a pig.
It's a rat. Oh my god, it's a sewer rat.
It's not a sewer rat. It's
Look
like
at
a
its face.
armadillo or something
But
without
how-
an
I don't
armadillo
understand.
shell. I don't know, but I can't get very
It looks
close
like a
to
big
him.
rat.
Look at it. It's fuzzy when I
It's
get
a
close.
city rat. And it's blending in with the colors.
I know, he's really
Do a
is.
couple videos if you're at 10.